Hello everybody and welcome to a new video with Pinky. And today we're climbing a mountain. Okay, let's skip that part. Oh yeah, if you don't know who this is Mr. Creeper. Oh, camp. But I don't actually know what to do, so let's go to the camp. What's going to be at the camp? Oh, come up! Yeah, go! There's a village right there. Should we go to the village or... I think this is the map. Put that map! Okay, so we are here and we have to follow the path. There's a lake for somehow, I don't know why. And there's a shed. I don't think it's a shed. And hey, give me that. So, let's go! Oh yeah. So if you're wondering, we actually have some mods in this game. So yeah, we actually have dynamic lighting so that we can see in the dark because it's like time. Wait a minute. Oops, sorry. I paused the game. I just went play brightness a little bit up. Okay. See, dynamic lighting. Wait a minute, let's use our spyglass to see how far we are. I think we're... Oh no! Oh. Ignore that. Ignore all the stuff in my inventory. I don't think it's a map. Oh yeah, if you don't know, this is my custom map. It's not published. If I look closer, why does this look like someone pissed on it? Or it's like horse. I don't think I should have said that. Why? Stone? This looks way better. I think we're close to a shed or the lake, whatever that was called. Oh, at spa. Let's go! Whee! Oh, God. Oh. What do you mean? It's in my oven. Oh, you can actually put lettuce in your oven? I can't. How? Ah. Bruh. Bro, I'm drowning! Ow. Bro. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video. We've been doing this for like 10 minutes now, and if I didn't do that, I would have run out of time. So, okay, let's go. Be my pond. And hello, Mr. Creeper. It was so long that it turned night. I mean, it turned daytime again, and it turned night. Epic is static night. And because this is my world, I have actually explored this, so I just give it a tour. This actually looks like Mount Everest. Wait a minute, stop right there. Cabin. I think we should go here. Come on. Bryce. Let's go. Oh, this is the cabin that we have been working on. This is the sitting area. Okay, let's give a tour. Ow. This is my house. It has some arbor and remember and the gun small from my very first video. Okay. Kain na daw. Bye.